Hey makeup lovers, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. I can't believe it's taken me until the end of March to post my first video for 2021. So much has been happening, but hey, better late than never. So today I'm doing a review and tutorial for you of Urban Decay's Naked Wild West palette. Now Urban Decay has had a lot of naked palettes. Some spoke to me more than others. I liked the smoky one, and I'm still interested in the ultraviolet one. But this one, I had to have. First of all, I love the packaging. It's so cool, like snake skin. Second of all, it's vegan. So it doesn't have any animal byproducts, and it's not derived from any animal products, which is great. And the shades are amazing. They have some nice warm shades, like this one right here. But for me, I feel like there's always too many warm shades. And I was really pleased with this one because there's a lot of cooler tone shades as well. I like this one, Tex, a lot. Pony Up's really awesome. So there's a nice mix of matte shades and some shimmer shades and some metallics. You can really create endless looks. These shades are so versatile. I didn't know what to do first. So there's a tiny bit of fallout with them, which is not too bad. You can see in the video it's very easy to clean up. When you dip the brush in them, there's a little bit of crumble in the palette, but it's not chalky. The saturation is really great. They last, I'd say, a good 8 hours without any creasing. So that's nice too, all day pretty much. But for me, it's the shades are just beautiful. I love working with them. I have swatches on the blog, you can check those out. So without any further ado, here is my Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette makeup tutorial. So we'll start off with the Naked Wild West palette. So I'm going to take the shade Whisky. We're going to run it through the crease. We're going to take this shade here, this kind of cool taupe shade. I think it's Laredo. And we're going to put it on the inner third of the lid. Right in the center of the lid, we're going to put Cowboy Rick, this sparkly metallic shade, right in the center. And we're sort of blending the edges with the Laredo shade. Then we're going to take this pretty turquoise shade, Tex. We're going to put it on the outer V of the eye. And then we're going to blend that in with Cowboy Rick and Whisky. We're going to take a little bit of Bud, his shimmery shade, and press it just gently over text. Then I'm going to use the shade Pony Up, this pretty matte, along the lash line. So then real quick, I'm just going to take an eye pencil in a black shade. This one is from Beauty For Real, and run it along my lower waterline. Then we're going to take more of the shade Pony Up and run it along the lower lashes. Then I'm going to use mascara really quick on the top and bottom lashes. This one's from Tarte and it's Big Ego. And then I'm going to clean up any fallout, because there is a little bit, with a concealer. So then we're gonna take Standoff and just run it along the brow bone. And we're gonna take a little more of Cowboy Rick and just put it in the inner corner of the eye. And then I'm just going to quickly add a contour, highlight, and blush. then just for a quick lip, I'm going to take this shade of Dazzle Glass from MAC in Love Child and just pop it on my lips. And here we have our finished Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette look. Thank you for watching, you guys. Totally check out this palette. I think it's amazing. One of their best ones yet. Check out the blog for more info. I'll have a more detailed review on there. And I will see you next time. Bye.